Gage Flaback, the rope and racing. A good start to the top fit with Red Diamond. Valiente. He's the ground in the early part, followed by Super Duper. Red Diamond are running in third on the outside for the Reclamador alongside now Panibuko. Rushing up by the wheel Gen Spirit, then followed by Royal Scepter. Then next on line, Irish Smile running by the wheel Blitzkrieg. And out of straight they travel. Valiente leads by some 3.5 lengths, followed by Super Duper. Gen Spirit now running in third alongside is Red Diamond. Then followed by Royal Scepter and Reclamadora. Down the half mile they travel. Valiente by only a length. Super Duper coming closer in second. Red Diamond on the outside, third Gen Spirit. Here comes Royal Scepter, Reclamador, Blitzkrieg. Inside the last 600, Valiente moving up on the outside is Red Diamond. Inside the last 400, Red Diamond takes the lead now by half a length, followed by Valiente. Running in third is Gen Spirit moving up now, Royal Scepter. Towards the final turn, it is still Red Diamond from the outside, leads by length now, followed by Valiente. Blitzkrieg is nicking by the wheel, but still Red Diamond, and finally Red Diamond, Blitzkrieg, Valiente, Reclamador, Super Duper, Royals.